Hi friends, Mike Anger here from DUO Plastics, showcasing our new Intubation Box that we're going to make available for sale on our website here very shortly. With the coronavirus crisis that our nation faces, the need for intubation boxes has become very important. These units are used in ERs all throughout the country, basically to isolate the patient from the medical personnel assisting them in the event that they would need to be intubated to clear their airway. I'm going to quickly take apart our unit here, and then I'm going to assemble it back together. We start by taking the front piece off the top. Basically, these are all connected via looks like a puzzle, interlocking pieces. The top, the sides, just simply lift, come off. These units are very easy to store because they can be stacked flat, shipped flat, can be shipped anywhere in the country. They're very easy to clean. They're made from heavy gauge polycarbonate. Polycarbonate is the same material that's used in airline windows, so it's very strong, it's not going to break. So I'm going to showcase how we put it back together real quick. So we're going to start with the back. These boxes will come standard with these holes on the side that have covers, basically for medical personnel to get to the patient. Obviously somebody on this side can assist the person doing the intubating. On this side, it slides out. All right, then we'll finish the top. There we have it. This unit roughly weighs about 15 pounds. Very easily pick up the handles, move it around, place back where you need it. They come in two sizes. This happens to be what we consider the child size, the smaller size. We do offer an adult size as well.